Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my clients, Tiffany and Steven, husband and wife team, by the way. First Section 8 rental property. This house is a monster. If you look behind me at just the sheer size of this house, if we wanted to, we could make this about a 7 bedroom. It's currently a 5. Let's walk through it. It's one of the biggest houses we have purchased in the last 12 months as a Section 8 rental. I usually don't like buying really big houses because a lot of times the bigger the house, the more the problems, especially when you have homes that are close to 90, 100 years old. But this was a little bit of an outlier. So this house behind me, we purchased for $80,500. The rehab here was $35,000. We are in the middle of it right now. We have guys in there right now actually working. So we'll work around them, but I want to bring you through it. I want to show you one of the most unbelievable layouts of any houses that we've ever showed on the channel. So come on through, guys. This house is gorgeous. You can just see the old style architecture. You have the columns out front, all real brick, very, very sturdy foundation, very sturdy structural. So we come inside into a huge living room. We have a huge living room right here, and off of this living room, we have what we were considering to make a bedroom. Now, when we first walked through here, I was on the phone with our contractor, and when my clients go under contract on homes, the first thing we do is we send our contractor out to those units to check them, because we want to make sure that we're not buying something that is not exactly what was advertised to us online. And when you guys hear me saying all the time, we need a team, we need a team, we need a team, that's one of the most important aspects of this. Because if you don't have the contractors to come out and look at these houses, give you the right prices, give you the right costs of what things are going to cost, you're going to lose money. Our contractor walks in here, gives us a price, it's the right price, but not only that, if the neighborhood's bad, they tell us. If the area's bad, they tell us. If the home has huge issues and it's going to be out of our rehab budget, they tell us, so we don't buy it. But this home is perfect. The ARV on this house is going to be close to $140,000, $150,000. There are not a lot of homes that have 5, 6 bedrooms in this area, and the ones that do are very expensive. So really, really happy. A total gem for Tiffany and Steven. They have another 3 houses they're in the middle of purchasing right now. So they're gonna have 4 Section 8 units in the matter of about 60 days. This was the first one they closed on. We're knocking this one out ASAP to get onto those. So guys, originally we were gonna turn this into a bedroom. That is not going to be the case anymore. There's enough bedrooms in this house to leave it as a 5-bedroom and not add this extra bedroom, which would be bedroom number 6. But we can always go back and change it. And all we would need to do is clean up all this structural brick, build a closet, take up this ugly carpet, which is coming up anyway. All new carpet's going in here as it is. Take care of all this rotted wood that someone covered up with white tape, which is a classic. See it all the time, and fix this this broken window. I'm not going to touch it. Okay. So guys, and nice sliding glass door actually right here onto the front porch, which is nice. So coming out of this room right here, we can use that as a den or a library or something like that. We walk through the living room into a nice big kitchen space. Now, unfortunately, we're going to end up taking this down. Or we'll put something high and tight up there. I like high and tight light fixtures because they're out of the way. They don't get hit. They don't get broken. They don't get damaged. All these window units will come out of the house with a brand new HVAC system that has been installed, even though there is nice, cool air coming through there. But there's 2 brand new AC units outside that are going to cool this house totally fine. So nice storage closet right here, guys, off of the kitchen. We have a really, really nice dining space. And this entire thing is the dining space. So not only is it here, but our kitchen isn't even right here. It's over there. So you can even have another table right here, maybe a work area or a desk, and have a nice big kitchen. We talk all the time on the channel. You want to buy property that your tenants bring family over to, where there are gatherings, where holidays are celebrated. This is that house on steroids. This is the best of the best. Not only does it have a great interior for entertaining, even in the living room, in the kitchen, but out back, there's a good size yard, number one. But number two, this home is a brand new deck, okay? So, brand new deck was just installed back here very recently by the seller prior to selling the home. Really nice out here. You could put a hot tub out here. You could do whatever you want out here. This is going to be a home that the tenant is going to live in for a very, very long time. And this will be a home that sometimes what happens, and I've talked about this before, but you might have someone live in a home for 20, 30 years. When they leave or they pass, they might want to pass that house on to someone else in their family. And that happens very, very frequently in Section 8 because it's so hard finding good quality units and landlords who care. So a lot of times tenants, they want to stay with those landlords. And landlords, we want to keep those good tenants too. So it's a very symbiotic relationship. When you take care of your tenant and you find a good one, they take care of you, reward you by staying in the unit a very long time and taking care of the home, okay? So guys, come back inside. Right out there today. So off of this big dining area right here, this is actually kind of funny. Maybe at one time this was an area for a desk. Those old school pencil sharpeners. I know a lot of you people watching this at home know what that is. I think when I was in middle school we had those. That was about the last time ever. A lot of you young folks watching these right now. You guys probably don't even know what that thing is. So coming through the dining area, we have our kitchen. Now, guys, throughout the whole house, you're looking around, you're probably saying, damn, there's a lot of stuff everywhere that just needs to be done. And yes, so you see air, it's freezing cold air pumping through that vent. That is really nice. But you might be looking at this house and be saying, wow, there's a lot of crap in here that needs to be done. And there is, that's true. And that's one of the reasons why it needs $35,000 in work. It doesn't need any major demo, but like every single room needs work. Every single wall needs work. Every piece of flooring needs work. And this house is huge. I mean, we're talking, I believe it's close to 2,400 square feet. It's giant, if not more than that. So every room, right, we have our busted woodwork, we have our bad outlets, we have broken pieces of metal, we have things that need paint touch-ups, we have cabinet doors that won't fully close, that one does, that one will actually get dinged for, believe it or not, on a failure. You guys know how I feel about refrigerators and not opening them. I will say, very nice refrigerator. If that is functional, we're probably gonna keep that, save our clients about $1,400 on a brand new refrigerator. But items like this, that will fail. An old gas line used to come up right there. We'll have to remove that. Obviously, we'll take out that nasty switch, cover that up, put a new cover on it as well. So every part of this, guys, every single wall, there needs to be stuff done. It's funny seeing the old alarm systems that were put in this house a long time ago. We have all of our smoke detectors are covered as all this stuff is going to be painted. It's actually being in the process of painting right now. So as we come through, guys, nice big bathroom right on this first level in a good area too. And when I say that, it's not in through a bedroom. You don't have to walk through it to go anywhere, and it's in a good location. So finally, we have bedroom number one. So bedroom number one, you guys will notice there are a lot of window units throughout this whole house. But that was before all new ductwork, insulation, and units were in here. It's about 85 degrees outside right now, and it's fantastic in this house. Really, really nice, really, really cool. So that was newly upgraded. We did not add that. Unfortunately, you have a brand new fan here. We're gonna take this down and put in a new light fixture. This looks nice, but in reality, it's a $45 fan from Home Depot. It's a piece of crap. It looks good for about 12 months, and then it starts looking like like it belongs in the trash can. So we'll get this out of here. We'll get that window unit out of here, not even plugged in, and it's about 70 degrees in this bedroom right now. It's very, very nice. So bedroom number one. Okay, guys, we're now gonna go upstairs. Upstairs is gigantic. Very elegant stairs, wide, strong. All of the structures here are in good shape. So guys, top of the stairs, we have bedroom number two, okay? So bedroom number two, we've taken the doors down. We're gonna put new doors in here. There were two double doors that were glass. Who wants a glass bedroom door? So we're gonna put new doors up here. This is gonna be bedroom number two. It's humongous. It's a huge bedroom. New closet was put in here, new door, okay? And this whole room will be painted. Window unit will be taken out of here. There's work that needs to be done to all of these windows. These windows are not going to pass. The window locks are not operable. The windows are crap. These are caulked and foamed. That is old silicone, which you can't have silicone on your windows. It's a fail. But like, guys, these windows are just beat up. So all of these windows are going to be fixed. We need to make some operable. Most of these windows won't even stay up on their own. There's no drawstrings, so they've been cut. When you look at windows, one thing you have to see is if they still have a drawstring. And the drawstrings hold weights in the windows, okay? So when you pull them, you can hear the weights. Hear those? Those are the weights that are inside of the windows. I don't think anyone's ever pulled that drawstring in probably 30 years, so it's a little bit stuck now. My contractors will give me an earful for that. But basically, if they don't have drawstrings, there's no way for the windows to hold themselves up. So we'll have to find ways, and the ways will be by taking some of these windows out and putting new ones in. Okay? Very cool in here as well, but we'll end up taking this window unit out. All new flooring going in here tomorrow or after the painting is done. Okay? So, coming off of bedroom number two, we have what at one time might have been a bathroom. Guys, help me out. If you know what this used to be, please drop me a comment below. It could have been an old furnace room. It could have been an old electrical room. Could have been a lot of things. Right now, it'll be used for a linen closet and nice storage, which in a lot of homes, kind of rare. So when you have big homes like this, we'll find something great for it, and I know the tenant will be very happy. Okay. So guys, coming through here, we're gonna go to the end of the hall. We have bedroom number three. So bedroom number three, of course, we'll take the fan out, put a new light fixture in here, do work to all the windows, do all of the paint work in here as well. New closet door, nice sized closet here. So that's bedroom three. Wow, guys, these rooms are giant. This is gonna fly off the rental market. We're gonna set records with how much rent we're gonna get for this place. Usually when you come in these homes that are this old, you never see display cases like this that are in this good of condition. I promise. If you guys know you've been in old houses like this, that's how you know the people that used to live here took care of this home and cared about it. And that's one of the reasons that we love buying stuff like this, is if you are purchasing from somebody who cared about where they lived, you're not going to have the issues that you would have if you bought from somebody or you bought from tenants who didn't care. So top of the stairs, we have another bathroom. This bathroom's pretty hacked up. Got to clean this one up big time. Need a new toilet. Need to clean up the tub. We got to reglaze the tub in here, paint it. This is ugly in there. Ugly bathroom. Okay, guys, come over here. Bedroom number four. So bedroom number four. You can see the house next to us has a brand new roof, which is great. You know, everybody else in the neighborhood cares about the way their houses look. You look across the street, you can kind of see it through the window. Yards taken care of, yards taken care of, yards taken care of. Roof looks good. Roof looks good. Roof looks good. People care. People care. All right. So carpet's going to be ripped up in here. All new flooring is going to go out here as well. And we move into bedroom number 5. So guys, bedroom number 5, another huge room. We're going to walk through into a huge bathroom in here. So this bathroom, everything in here is getting ripped out and redone. So this jacuzzi tub out of here, brand new shower is going to be installed in here. Shower tub combo, brand new toilet, brand new vanity. Going to clean this entire thing up. And then off of bedroom number 5, this monster, we have the biggest walk-in closet in Section 8 history. I'm just joking. I don't know that for a fact, but you got to be kidding me with this, right? I mean, you guys can see we could have turned this place into a 7 or an 8 bedroom home. Place looks amazing. This is a full-on walk-in closet with built-ins. Look at this. We got built-ins here. Now, of course, they were not really built in, but nonetheless, unbelievable. Getting a little loud. We'll head out. Well, guys, I'll tell you what. I am so excited about this house. As a 5-bedroom, this is going to rent for $1,400 minimum. If we get a voucher for more than that, and as you guys probably know, and if you've been watching my videos, you definitely know, Section 8 has gone up 15%. They've announced a 15% rate increase, rental price increase for 2024. So that starts, fiscal year 2024 starts in October for Section 8 for HUD. So we're going to start seeing those increases now in the next couple of weeks. It would not surprise me to see upwards of $1,500, if not $1,600 for something like this. We're going to stay conservative. We're running our numbers based on $1,400, but if it's higher than that, it's not going to surprise me. Units like this, guys, they don't come along very often. Which is why at first, and I talked to Tiffany and Steven about this, and we discussed it, and I told them, look, big houses, they usually don't turn out to be very good, but when we got in here, we couldn't believe what kind of shape it was in. I'm so happy for them. And guys, please, if you have questions about this home, comments, things that you would do, things that you would change, please drop them in the comments below. If you want to get started and you want to build your Section 8 portfolio, you want to do it the right way, you want to do it with a team, send me an email in the description. My email's down there. Head over to the website and send me an email. We'll get you started. See you next time.